sure I got another Amazon package. Yeah, 2 more packages coming in. I believe it's all in one package, I think. And this is gonna be the last for like at least a couple months. Because I'm gonna save my money up for an RTX 4070, I believe. And a Asus TUF gaming motherboard, a power supply, and a monitor. I will also be using my money on DoorDash and stuff, so on some options. I should use a cardboard box. Like, these computer parts are expensive. So, got Kingston Fairy RAM cartridges. These are very nice. They're not made in China, fortunately, so these will likely last. They're assembled in Taiwan. So let's take a closer look at them. It's like, it works with Intel processors. So because I got Intel i7-12700K. This definitely works with the 12-pin processors. Plus it works with Asus or Sync. So works with a wide variety of LED light brands stuff. Try to look at the specs. So, yep, it's 32 gigabytes, 2 times 16 gigabytes, 6,000 megahertz DDR5 RAM. I didn't want DDR4 because it's okay, but it's not like the newest anymore. Just only get it if you can't afford DDR5. Yep. Take a closer look at the condition stuff. Yep, looks like they came in good condition. So I'm gonna take a closer look at it. Definitely need a tripod soon. Oh, can I open it? Oh yeah, it's not like sealed together, fortunately. Wow, these are premium. That's metal. That is ridiculously good. Got what I paid for. Came in perfect condition despite the cardboard, the paper bag. Got paper packaging. Yeah. Solid build quality. This came in perfect condition. I'm impressed because I paid $140 for these. Like, I need a DDR5. Like, DDR4 is good though, but I just prefer that. It's hard to get 4800 megahertz though. DDR5 RAM, so I got 6,000. I don't know if 6400 megahertz works, 6400. But here are some very nice. Got another one of these Asus TUF or Sync fans. I got 6. So I can cool my PC better. These Intel i7 processors, they need a lot of cooling. Also those graphics cards. so I'm less likely to have failure problems with my computer parts. Yeah, the reason why your computer parts might fail you is they overheat and stuff. Always buy like fans and stuff. Is it cool the PC adequate enough? Also, there's like a lot of heatsink on your motherboard to keep the chips cool to get hot. Also, don't pay attention to the 4800 megahertz limit for the Intel Core i7 12700K processor, because it's not true. I heard like other people they were able to get the processor running without problem crashing or anything with 6000 megahertz DDR5 RAM. I think Intel should probably check on that. As long as the motherboard supports it, too. The RGB controller, once again, came in good condition, fortunately. I'm definitely gonna go with Asus parts. They match perfectly. What's the case? If I get Corsair, it just wouldn't make sense. I prefer stuff that matches. Screws. Let's pull the fan out. Gotta be gentle though. There it is. Perfect condition. Yeah, very nice. Always be sure to order a packet 6 if you're buying powerful stuff for your gaming PC. That came in good condition as well. So once again, I saw this back in November. Oh, hopefully that's a good condition. Yep. Good condition. So yeah, this is it. Let's go in the box. Thanks for watching.